I am really a detail-oriented person, and attention to detail is something that I am naturally very good at. And so that's a strength, but it's also my worst weakness because perfectionism is not a good thing. And aspiring to be perfect in a worldly way with technique, or I think can get you focused on the wrong sort of thing. The viola is very exacting with technique, and I think that it is a strength of mine to get lost in the tunnels of perfecting, but I've had to learn to quiet my mind on the way so that I just allow the process to happen instead of being worried, oh, that didn't work or that was not perfect. I've learned to see perfectionism as an illness and not a strength. And the joy in the journey is much, much more important. And so I've had to learn as part of my growth as an artist to really allow myself more freedom and space in that journey.